Hello, hello, Ignacio Esparza here. Today I want to show you my enhancement number 5. We will talking about the client-side validation in the new products and the new category view forms, about server-side validation, so the new products and new category process in the products controller. Okay, go to my code, and here is my function file in the library folder. Here is the function file. This is the function for validate the email, for the validate password and his pattern, for validate the price, to create the nav list. This is the result of the nav list here, because I renamed the navigation bar array here in the accounts controller. And here, this is the line which called get nav list function to create the nav the bar navigation in all views. Go to the products. Okay, it's working in all views. This is the index PHP. Here is the filters, the flags, and here is the products index. Here is the filters and flags, and and here is the nav creation, nav bar creation. Okay, now I go to the product, new product form. Here is the type of input in every field. Here is the sticky code for every field. Okay. In category, I added the type input and the required parameter. Okay. Now, here is an index in Acme controller. Require once library function index is required a library function index accounts controller require once library functions. Okay, now go to test. Here we are in the products controller. Go to create a new category, click. This is the user validation, and if I use the not validate, here is the server validation in action. Okay. Now go to to add a new product. Explosive. SpaceX rocket. No, no SpaceX. No, it's a bomb. Double bomb. Price. Stock. San Jose. SpaceX and add product. This is the user validation. If I use the not validate, this is the server validation in action. As we can see, it's a sticky form. Classic add product. Congratulations. Okay, now go to our Acme database. Acme database. Inventory. This is the last one, the last record. Okay, this is the last record. Okay, as you can see, all is working according to the Enhancement-5 overview. Okay, thank you.